Airports are some of the biggest contributors to noise pollution. The ramp can be excessively loud at any time due to aircraft engines and ramp equipment. Personnel are encouraged and required at certain times to use hearing protection. At Albany Airport, this sign is posted on every door that leads to the ramp. This is to protect the employees. It's important, whether on the ramp or in the cockpit, to wear hearing protection. A pilot's passive noise reduction headset reduces about 23 decibels of sound. Active noise reduction headsets can reduce up to 30 decibels of sound. This is the noise exposure map for Albany Airport. It was done in 2014. Airports are required by the FAA to do periodic noise studies. The survey is done using day and night average sound levels at different locations around the airport. Albany Airport's noise footprint has continued to shrink for the past 20 years due to newer and quieter airplanes. Planes will be flying their lowest closest to the runways, so there's no residential properties immediately adjacent to the airfield. The airport has bought out any house that lies within the 65 decibel contour line and will buy any house if the owner is willing to take the airport's offer. Here's a few examples of Albany Airport's noise abatement program. Runway 01 is designated as the calm wind runway to direct departing traffic to less populated area north. Similarly, Schenectady Airport's calm runway is runway 4 to also direct traffic north. Large aircraft must be at or above 2,000 feet MSL if not yet established on final. This is to prevent them from making low-altitude turns. Engine run-ups are done in the specified run-up area between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. The pilot or the mechanic doing the run-up must tell the Airport Operations Center before they start doing high-power engine run-ups. Noise abatement procedures sometimes are not good enough, so Airport Ops runs what they call a noise complaint hotline. There's a form online or a phone number to call, and Airport Ops will follow up with the person who filed the complaint.